movie Zanjeer is a well-directed one. It's 1975 production. It's about Amitabh Bachchan, angry young man who is a cop and who is a righteous cop. And he comes across Pran. In the beginning, they were at loggerheads with each other because Pran was actually into some illegal activities. And his name is Sher Khan. He is the showstopper. He has stolen, like, he is instrumental in making the movie a great success. So the best scene is when he comes to the police, like the place, police, what are you talking, whatever. Yeah, he comes there and he sits on the chair. And Amitabh Bachchan, as Vijay Khanna, he says that this is not your father's house and I have not told you to sit. Unless I tell you to sit, you are not allowed. That's the, I feel, best dialogue. And then what happens, they get into altercation, they fight, and both of them emerge victorious. And none of them are able to defeat each other. And eventually they become best of friends. This movie, the name is Zanjeer, but I feel that the name could have been changed to Yara now. Because the way Sher Khan has dedicated his entire life. Once he was falsely accused, Vijay, and he was sent to jail because of Ajit, who is a criminal. And he begged for 5,000 rupees from a money lender, goldsmith. Usually goldsmiths are very stingy, they don't shell out. But in this movie, he easily gave 5,000 and he had to give it to the cop for his release, for bail. And he comes out. Innumerable number of occasions Sher Khan has helped him. And once he was attacked brutally by Ajit and these criminal and his criminal gang, and he came as a savior, and he actually battled for him. And when he was admitted to the hospital, he knew that his blood group will match with Vijay. And the doctor said, how do you know? He's not related to you by blood. How do you know that the blood group will be same? He said all the tigers have the same blood group. Like, they were so brave. So the movie actually revolves around Vijay and Pran, Sher Khan. And then he comes across Jaya Bhaduri, with whom he falls in love. She is just a knife shop. She sharpens the knife on the street. She's an orphan. So later on, he transforms her into a sophisticated lady and eventually get married. And the scar which he felt from childhood, what witness was, he saw his parents brutally killed by Ajit during Diwali celebrations. And he was hiding behind the cupboard, and that dream of horses every time used to trouble him till 20 years, long years, when he finally killed Ajit. And the cops, Iftikhar and all, they took him. And then there is Bindu also as his girlfriend. So it's an excellent movie. Songs are awesome. Must watch. 5 stars.